my name is Connor McNeil, and welcome aboard this 19-foot Scarab Open ID 2017, offered for sale by Georgian Bay Yacht Sales by United City Yachts. We're Canada's largest yacht sales network. Now, this is a 360 video tour, so as I take the camera throughout the areas of the boat with me, you can actually interact with the video, whether it's zooming in, zooming out, or scrolling around and having a look at the areas of the boat and not just staring at me the entire time. Now, this boat is on its second owner right now. It currently only has about 50 hours on it, and it's powered by a single engine. It is a Rotax 4-Tech jet-powered engine that propels this boat and powers the house. You got two batteries on board as well. One is for the optional engine at the front that you can use for fishing, or the other battery is for obviously starting the main engine. On board for navigation, we have a MINN GPS, as well as a really upgraded kicker stereo system on board. So you got speakers throughout and a subwoofer there. And then the rest of the helm includes all your drive controls, your control panel, as well as a nice compass there. In the center console here, we've actually got an onboard head, so it can be pumped out or you can pull the tray out. These seats are also optional. You can pull out these fishing seats or they can swivel around. There is also another insert cushion that goes in here, but underneath each of these sections is also more storage. So you have options for a live well or bait well if wanted, because there are drain holes to it, or it's just more storage areas for fenders, other equipment. Let's move back into the helm area. So as mentioned, this boat does have your, I believe I said Garmin, it's a Raymarine unit. You've got all your drive controls here, your control panel for all your switches for lights. There's courtesy lights throughout, as well as your navigation lights. You've got your drive controls and then your stereo system there, as well as your nice compass. One thing to point out too is that there's beautiful SEADEKing all throughout the boat, not just on the deck of the boat, but also along the sides. Really ties it in, makes it a nice feel on your feet or on your back somewhere. But it just altogether makes the boat look really nice. Now, behind us here, beside the helm seat, this helm seat does swivel around to face back, but you've also got two extra bucket seats that are in their storage mode right now, but you can lift the lid and pull the seats out. As well as you have another aft fishing seat and this beautiful fold-down transom. Now, if you'd like a private tour of this boat, you can contact me by email, which is connor@georgianbayyachtsales.com, or you can visit our website, which has more photos of the boat, more 360 photos and regular photos, and more ways that you can contact us if you'd like to see this boat. Thank you.